My name is Lyric Burns. Have you ever went to write a check and did not know how to properly fill it out? Many people do not know how to write a check. And while some of them may never have to, it is still an important skill to know. Knowing how to write a check can help you for future important transactions. The average American writes 38 checks per year. This could be used for rent, at the store, or even used for bills such as utilities and gas. I personally use checks for everything, as I have a paper trail and a record of how much money I have spent. Using a check is also much safer than using an online form of payment such as a debit or credit card, as there is much less of a risk of someone stealing your personal information. There are 6 things you need to know when filling out a check. The date, which is located at the top right corner, who you are writing the check to, the money amount in numerical form, the money amount in word form, a memo, which is a message that you can write to remind yourself of what the check is for. You can also leave this part blank if you choose to. And last, you will put your signature on the bottom of the check. So let's pretend that you're writing a check to John Smith for your monthly rent of $800 due on October 1st. The first thing we will do is write the date. We're going to write October 1st, 2019. Your realtor's name is John Smith, so you are going to write that here on the pay to the order of line. And the amount of your rent was $800. So here we are going to put in numerical form $800.00, meaning there's no cents to our check. On the next line, we will write $800 out. 800. And then we will draw a line and put 00 over 100, saying also that there is no cents. Now, if you would like to write a memo, this is where would you write rent for October. Now, this is just something that can help you remember what the check was for so that you do not lose it. And last but not least, you will write your signature. And if you do not write your signature, the person will not be able to cash the check. Checks are reliable, safer, and knowing how to write a check on top of using a debit and credit card just makes you generally more knowledgeable. I hope this demonstration has helped you and may come in use for you in the future.